Hi everyone, I'm Kelly. Welcome to my channel. I have hooded eyes, so I know drawing eyeliner can be very time consuming, messy and annoying. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the smoky eyeliner on my hooded eyes in only 2 minutes without any eyeliner products. It's faster, cleaner, and you will be pleased with the result. Let's start prepping my eyes with a Milani eyeshadow primer. This is a really important step as today I'm gonna use eyeshadow to create the smoky liner. The eye primer will extend the longevity of my eye makeup, enhance the eyeshadow color and blendability. With black eyeshadow, it's really hard to get it right, so the eye primer is a must. After that, I set it with the translucent loose setting powder from Mercier using a blending brush. Next, I will use tape to help me get the job done faster and easier. I just use the regular tape, and before putting it on my face, I stick it on my hand and take it out a few times until it's not too sticky anymore, so it won't remove my makeup later. Then I place it at the end of my lower lash line. The palette I used today is from VISEART and a shader brush from Bdellium tools. Now I lower the mirror and look down for a better view. Do not look straight to the mirror. Then I start creating the wing with the black eyeshadow. Just go for the length you like. Blend towards the upper lash line. I don't make it too thick and just stop when I reach the pupil. For hooded eyes with limited lid space, it will be more flattering when you keep your eyeliner thin and close to the lash line. Next, I clean my brush and get some light brown shade to go on top of the black one and blend out. This palette is expensive, I know, but this matte formula is just the best for me. It blends effortlessly in seconds. I always grab towards this palette when I need to create a quick eye makeup look. After that, I go back with the black eyeshadow to intensify it and create a beautiful smoky effect. So we're done with the wing. It took only 1 minute per eye for me. Then I get some black eyeshadow with a flat angle brush and put it on my upper waterline to highlight and make my eyes more defined. If you're a beginner, of course you don't need to buy this palette. I will link some affordable ones in the description box for you to check out. After that, I curl my lashes and put on mascara. This is Lancome Mercier Big Volumizing Waterproof Mascara. And here's the finished look, how fast and easy. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.